Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome. Today on Sunday. Yes, it's Sunday actually. In the weekend edition of Saturday Sunday, July the 21st, 2024. We have here in this additional 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, 3 stars, and a 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this afternoon. Why not all? Well, too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. And besides, this evening I will do also a samurai Sudoku, and it will take me more than an hour to solve. Alright, the first one, the 3-star Sudoku number 8938. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Usually a 3-star Sudoku has 25 printed digits. This one has 1 digit more. Should be at 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, the publisher has indicated with 3 stars, and for 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Question is this a 3 stars or a 2 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Let me see. Let me start with the number 1, digit 1. 1 in this column, 1 in last column, so the column between. Only 2 places left, the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 in these 3 boxes. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are 2 and 6. We have 2 and 6 in this column, so no 2 and 6 in these 3 boxes. 2 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. So what are these 3 missing numbers? Those missing numbers are 1, the 2, 3 is missing. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 there. 3 could be there. The 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. Well, 385, 385, that means 2 numbers left in the last column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, this 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Right. 3 in this row, last row. 3 in a row above, so that row. The only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. I need a 1 here. 9, 6, 7, 9, 6. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 9 and 6. We have a 9 and 6 in this column, so no 9 and 6 in these 3 boxes. So 9 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 9 and 6. So what are these 3 missing numbers in this big square? For numbers 1 is missing, 2, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 1, 5. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1, 5, 8. 1, 5, 8. 1, 5, 8. Need an 8 here. Need a 1 here. Need a 4 there. Need a 2. Need a 9 here. Well, we have a 9 here, 9. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is a number 9. Here can be 9, we have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. Here can be 9, we have a 9 in this column, no 9. It's the only place left for the 9 in this row. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, no 1 goes there. So 2 numbers left here, the 1 and the 5 are missing. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then 5, 5. I need a 2. I need an 8. 8, 8. And I need a 6 here. All right. 7, 7, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 in these 3 boxes. We have 7 in this row, no 7 in those 3 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in this row, 7 in one of those 2 boxes. In the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left, 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 5 in the 2, no, 8, 5 in the, need a 4 here. All right. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 2 in this row, 3rd row, 2 in the 2nd row, so the 1st row, only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 1 in this 1st row, 1 in the 3rd row, so the row between the 2nd row, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the 3rd column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 8. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 in these 2 boxes. We have a 7 in the 1st row, no 7 in that box. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. 7. Then... Yeah. 1 in this row. 1 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the 3rd column, no 1 there. Here can be 1, we have a 1 in the 2nd column, no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 should be there. Then 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this column for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. So here, 2 numbers left, the 8 and the 5 then. As a pair, another pair, 2 and a 6. All right. What are these 3 missing numbers in this big square? The 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing. 5 is missing. The 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. 9 is missing. 4, 5, 9. 4, 5, 9, 4, 5, 9, 4, 5, 9. That means we have a 9 in one of these boxes in this column. So this box can be a 9 and more. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 6 then. 2 numbers left in the middle column for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing and 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6, and 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. So we have a 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So in the third column, there are only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We have 3 in the third row, no 3 there. 3 in the second row, no 3 there. The only place left with 3 should be there. Need a 9 here. 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in this first column. One of the missing numbers in the first column is number 9. Here can be 9. We have a 9 in the middle row, no 9 there. Here can be a 9. We have a 9 in the first row, so no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there then. 9 in the third row, 9 in the first row, so the row between the second row. The only place left for the 9 should be here. So the other two numbers should be the 4 and the 5. 4 and the 5, yeah. 8, 5, and the 4. Alright. 7 there, okay. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. Maybe a 6 here. But the 9. 9 in the first column, 9 in the third column, so the column between the second column. Only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the last row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in the last row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. We have a pair. The 2 and the 6 in the first column. The 2 and the 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 2 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So if we eliminate there, the 7. So the 7 goes there. Okay. 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in the middle row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 5 goes there. Need a 4 here. 2 numbers left in the third column for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4, the 4. 5 is missing, the 6, the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, we have a 7 in the second row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Here also 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here then. 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 8. 8 or 5 here. We have an 8 now, so this box should be a 5, and that box should be an 8. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 3 and 8. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Here we have 3 and a 5 left. We have a 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row, so the first row, the only place left for 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in the second row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this row for numbers 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have 1 in this column, no. Oh, we already have a 1 here. Again, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 2 goes there, 2 and a 6, we have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and a 6 goes there, and the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1 and the 2. The 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing, 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6, we have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Finished 15 minutes, well. Told you need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. It's definitely a 2 stars, not a 3 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.